Hello everyone, I'm here to explain the 8-pin timer relay wiring diagram, basic timer connection and function under CFPA as well as GNC. Okay, this is my drawing here. This is our base of the relay. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 here. Our 7 and our 2 here is the coil, and our 8 here controls our 6 and a 5, and our 1 here controls 4 and 3. Whereas we know our 6 that is normally open, and our 5 here it's a normally closed, our 4 it's a normally closed, and our 3 here it's a normally open. So we have our light here, and our light here is connected to our 2, which is our neutral here, or which I must say it's a negative of the coil. So we connect our negative line of the light, and our positive line of the light is connected at 6. And then this is our switch here. We connect our power first. We connect our power from the DB to our 3 of the switch, and we take our power to 4, from 4 to our 7 of the coil here, and then our 3 to 8 of the base here of the relay. And then our neutral, we connect it to our 2 here, which is the negative of the coil. Okay, then let me show you how this connection is. This is our switch here, this is our time, and then this is our base. Okay, as I said, we're gonna connect our 3 here. This is our 3. And then this one will go to the DP here, and then this one is our 3 here is going to our 7. No, I mean our 8. So I'm gonna have 2 wires here, and the other one will go here.
Number 8.
This is my number 8. Then I'm gonna take our 4 here. And put it on our number 7 here. This is our number 6 here on top. Okay, these are neutral here. This one is going to the DB. timer is counting here, so the lights must come on. So as you can see that the timer is counting here, the light must come on as soon as the timer starts to count. So this is how our basic timer connection and function works.